Have you ever thought about taking probiotics to improve your gut health? What if I told you that natural hydrogen created in your body is the primary factor in helping you to strengthen your gut and immune system? Hydrogen is one of the gases in the air in the H and H2O. However, it is also produced in the body as a normal part of our chemistry. In fact, our bodies were made to create hydrogen in the gut through our natural digestion and fermentation of fruit and vegetable fibers. You might have heard that a huge part of our immune system resides in and around the gut. These critical areas in the body are fueled by natural hydrogen production. And when the gut is compromised from a poor diet or various other stressors, then health issues can occur. This is because the body doesn't have enough hydrogen to keep things in check and working properly. By drinking hydrogen water, we can build on and even restore what the body already does so naturally. Along with the foundation of a great nutrition, no added or processed sugar, adequate fruits and vegetables, and perhaps even a trial of a stricter anti-inflammatory diet, you too can restore your gut and immune health over time. What will be the first step that you take today to begin the process of gut healing?